So yeah, I did a lot of work. It looks like a lot of work, but it wasn't. For you, it's probably too difficult to even give it a try. So I needed to look for, oh, hold on a second, wiring. I looked for it. I went out. I came back. It was all sold out. It was the best price that you could find on the market. Do you know how your camera works? Do you think your camera is going to work like this camera? Instant record button. Oh yeah, I said the instant record button. When you hit it and you have an external mic on it, it's supposed to immediately turn on the external mic and work. Everything but the kitchen sink, man. That's what it is. That's not the way DJI works, brother. And I know that for a very, very long time. You can't have both. It's one or the other. Pick one. So I'm thinking of an additional solar panel and my living room lights on 200 watts only. That's 2 panels. Now I got 2 other panels that I could bring my landscape, my basement, and my plant light, all 3 to these 2 100-watt portable panels and put everything on that. And then I don't need an extra panel. But if I have a extra 100-watt panel, then I could put the patio lights and the plant light on the 2 100-watt portable that are tied together and take the 100-watt new one and just put that on the YouTube. Well, yeah, I think they do just good the other way around. So I could still leave my patio and my living room on the 2 100-watt that are tied together, 200-watt, and then just put everything else, the plant light and the basement light, on the other. That's what I think I'm going to do. And not get, excuse me, and not get an additional panel. I really don't need it. Somebody out there did a 200-watt parallel to 100 watts. Did it double their capacity increasing? Meaning that did it charge their battery twice as fast? Because a 100 milliamp battery, oh man, should charge in a split second. But a 100 amp hour should charge in 5 hours. And that's with the 100-watt panel, as well as probably a 200-watt panel that'll charge in 2 hours instead of 5. I just laugh at it, man. I really laugh at it. I need to adjust my tone levels down a little. Man, I'm not using Pro. And if I have to use Pro, then it probably work right. Why, DJI? Why can't you work with the gain just at a default to the camera, not in Pro? Oh, I get it. They want to separate the good and the bad and make you look ugly. I got an excellent comment. Oh, I couldn't get a 70-plus inch TV set in my 2021. Well, we just got another 70-plus inch TV in the 1997, the 2017 that is. And yeah, it's what it makes it feel like that. We got an older car that's bigger than the newer cars today. Why would you want something so big when everything is trying to go so small? And they just make bigger and bigger and bigger. I didn't say it this year, but I'll say it to all. Hoo, hoo, hoo! Happy holidays, one and all. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day. Believe it or not, yeah. I'm already starting to do. And I said, maybe. But, hope you had a great Turkey Day. Hope you had a great belated Thanksgiving Day. Yeah. Have a great one. Have a great holiday no matter what holiday in your world you celebrate.
Ah, shucks.
What did you say, Siri? She said, ah, shucks. I don't know who told it to come on. I'm just holding the phone and she just comes on. Maybe because I leaned it. Speaking about phones, man, they suck, especially Apple. Apple, you suck. You cannot make a male tone loud. Oh, you're trying to tone down the male people. I got these pair of jeans. These jeans, the phone fits all the way into the pocket. The previous jeans I wore, they didn't fit all the way in the pocket. They hung out halfway. I did lose my phone. That's all I care to say about smartphones. Artificial turf. That's wet as can be. It looks whitish because that's ice on it. That's dew. That's not snow yet, but that's what it looks like on there, man. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video because the first couple of scenes were just of the DJI Osmo Action 4 with its own internal audio, while the rest of the scene is with an external Tech microphone at the default of the camera on the go. I don't use the Pro, I just use the camera as is. I do got some work to get done. Yes, indeed. And I'm going to be putting a smile on my face when I do it. I'll see you on the next video. I'm getting on out of here. I'm going to put you away and shoot you for another day. I hope you enjoy your camera, no matter what you got and what you use. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Later. Out of here.